Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're tackling a topic that is absolutely critical for any business looking to make it big in the software as a service, or SaaS, market.
That's right, Jamie. We're talking about finding the right development partner. The SaaS market is just exploding, projected to hit an incredible $1.2 trillion by 2032. But behind every successful platform, there's a make or break decision. Who builds it?
Exactly. You see thousands of agencies claiming SaaS development expertise, but very few can actually architect a multi-tenant infrastructure, set up subscription billing that won't fall apart, or build a product that stands strong when real users come flooding in. The gap between a competent codebase and a revenue-generating cloud platform is huge.
And that gap is almost always determined by your development partner. So we've dug into an article that profiles 5 companies repeatedly delivering scalable, secure SaaS products across various industries. Let's dive into who they are.
First up, we have Glorium Technologies, based in the USA. These guys have 14 years focused on complex, regulated SaaS platforms. We're talking HIPAA-compliant telemedicine, EHR, EMR systems, algorithmic trading tools. They've got the ISO certifications, verified Stripe partnership, and AWS Select Tier status to prove their chops. If you're in healthcare, fintech, or any regulated industry, they're definitely one to look at.
Absolutely. Next is NetGuru from Poland. What's cool about NetGuru is their blend of product thinking with technical execution. They don't just jump into code. They map user journeys, optimize onboarding, and design interfaces that users genuinely enjoy using. If user experience and engagement are your competitive edge, NetGuru could be a game changer.
Then there's Beletsoft out of Belarus. Since 2004, they've specialized in the tricky business of migrating on-premises software to scalable cloud platforms. They understand the technical debt and architectural constraints that come with modernizing outdated systems. So if you're stuck with legacy software that's limiting your growth, their migration expertise is invaluable.
Following that, we have Ardas from Ukraine. What sets Ardas apart is that they don't just build SaaS for clients. They've successfully created and operated their own SaaS products in email marketing automation. That first-hand experience means they truly understand subscription metrics, churn reduction, and feature prioritization from the inside out. They bring that operational empathy to your project.
And rounding out our list is Space O Technologies from India. They've built a reputation for speed without sacrificing quality. They've even helped develop 3 unicorn companies. Their focus is on getting products to market quickly to validate assumptions and gather real user feedback. Perfect for early-stage startups needing an MVP that's investor-ready and designed for rapid iteration.
So what separates these companies, the great SaaS partners, from just the good ones? It's more than just coding ability. They architect for multi-tenancy from day one, ensuring data isolation while maximizing efficiency. They build subscription business logic, billing, usage tracking, tiered pricing as core infrastructure, not an afterthought.
And crucially, they treat security and compliance as engineering disciplines, not just checkboxes. Plus, they build API first, ensuring platforms can integrate seamlessly with whatever ecosystem their clients' customers demand. The wrong partner can lead to technical debt, security gaps, and platforms that just can't handle growth.
Choosing the right partner really depends on your specific needs and where you want your product to be in the next 18 months. For instance, if you're in those highly regulated industries we mentioned, Glorium Technologies' 14 years of experience and extensive certifications make them a compelling choice to explore.
Absolutely. It's about finding that perfect fit. And that wraps up our deep dive into finding the best SaaS development partners.
Thanks for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks. We'll catch you next time.